Fast and easy special effect in DaVinci. Drag the clip in timeline. Make duplicate above it. Disable video track. Go to Fusion tab. Click Effect, Tool, Tracking and Camera Tracker. Add polygon and select the area where you want to track. Do 2 or 3 keyframe according to your clips. Girl is also including in our tracking mask. Let's subtract it. Make another polygon. For better organization, rename it Girl. Attach to rock polygon. Select only girl with this mask. Do some keyframe as her movement. Change paint mode merge to subtract. And it looks like this white area will be our tracking source. Black area is transparent. Then connect the polygon to camera tracker. Hit the auto track. Let resolve do its thing. After completing of tracking, hit solve. Value should be below 1. Hit export. It makes another node for you. Organize the node by dragging below. Disconnect the previous node and connect with new one. It might be reused in future. We don't need ground plane node, delete it. Hit Shift plus space, type image plane 3D and add. Drag the image you want to add in footage. Connect to image 3D node. And connect image 3D node to merge 3D node. Now you add image to 3D space. Do some position adjustment as appropriate area. Add more image if you want. Do same as previous one. Now our image in 3D space, but statue and plane are in front of the rock. We have to show it just behind the rocks. Here come our duplicate clips as main role. Enable the clip. Hit Shift plus space, type magic mask and add. Select the area which you want to isolate. And track forward. Done. Add more image or clips if you want. Do some color correction.